Hi, Matt from 4x4 Accessories and Tyres. So today, welcome to a cold North Yorkshire, and I just want to have a bit of a talk around this lineup behind me. I mean, what we've got here is basically all of the next gen stuff that's currently come out of Ford and VW. We've done some very cool stuff with it, and I'm going to introduce you to some of the key products that we've got on some of these builds. The Code Orange next gen all new Ford Raptor. This is the launch colour. I actually love this colour, and what that does, it makes all the accessories that we put on just really stand out as well. They don't sort of like blend into each other. So what I'm going to do is talk around. We'll start at the front end, show you what's on there, and we'll move around. I've got a few new products on here that I want to introduce you to as well, but we'll start round at the front. So as you can see, you'll notice on some of these other cars as well, we have got this 76mm stainless steel coated bar. So really aggressive design. We do it in a few different ones actually, but this is with the axle bars down here. We do it with a plate as well, but really wraps around that bumper very well. Adds a really aggressive stance to it. Just above that is something that we have designed, an integration kit based around lasers. 9-inch Sentinel lights. So the lights on this car, I mean, the standard headlights in this one anyway, the performance LED, which are unbelievable, but added with 3 of these and the laser light pod that's located up on the roof. This is a 4x4 Predator design, and it actually utilises very cool sort of like fighter jet panel on the switches that are on the roof there. So with all them combined, you've got 4 6-inch elite laser lights in there. You've got these 9-inch Sentinels on here. It will just makes driving at night just makes it like daytime. So we've developed this integration bar that comes in and allows that to be really sturdy and mounted on that front bumper. It still allows you to put your number plate on there as well. Still allows you to use your front camera. Now, just above that, if you're keen-eyed and notice, we've developed this bonnet armour. Now, this is available in black gloss and in a matte black finish as well, and just accentuates the already fairly aggressive bumper, and just a nice little addition on there as well. So yeah, just a few more features on this one. That is just the standard side steps on the Raptor. We've twinned that with the Alpha SCZ. There's other videos available. You can see that I do a full in-depth video around the Alpha SCZ, showing you all about that. This time on these next gen vehicles, we've decided to sort of build the ultimate vehicle in what we've decided looks great. So first thing is I want to talk around is this black Ford Ranger Wildtrak next gen. So this is an agate black vehicle, and for you that are a bit keen-eyed, you'll see we've got two different colours on that styling stripe there. The reason why we did that, this vehicle has actually just come back from SEMA. So we took this vehicle out to what is the world's biggest automotive show in Las Vegas. When we took these vehicles, nobody in America had actually seen a physical one of these vehicles. So we get them a year, 18 months before the States, and we took this out just to show off some of our accessories as well that went down really well. So what I'll do is I'll talk you around some of the features on this. So on this front end, same 76mm bar, aggressive axle bars on there. But what we've also got, which is different to the Raptor, because the front end slightly changes on the Wildtrak to the Raptor. With the Raptor, you get that really sort of like aggressive big Ford grille, but with the Ranger, you don't. It just goes to the iconic badge on there. This is a full replacement grille that we've designed. So basically, it's not just some lights or anything that go in it. It's a full replacement grille made out of ABS. It allows you to be able to swap the camera over as well. And as we've just turned it on there, nice little start-up sequence, and then it has a DRL that runs when the vehicle's running. If you've got one of these, you might notice some subtle differences to yours as well. What we've done is we've created our black pack on this as well. So everything that was standard on the vehicle, so you've got sort of like a silver lower valance down there, we've painted that. We've painted the roof rails. We've also painted sort of like the side steps on some of them as well, just to create and take away all that contrasting colour, which makes it look really stealthy. The arches that are on here, so these are our Predator monster arches, which, as you will notice, are two slightly different designs and both available. So the front sections, we've got a vented style here with a nice little added feature in there in regards to some mesh. And on this side, we've also got a smooth section as well. They are a full, they're made of fiberglass. They've been designed purposely to follow the contours of the car. We've spent a long time developing and getting the inner of the arches to be able to cope with a decent sized tyre, so you can get a really aggressive tyre on there. So basically on this, what we've got a mud terrain tyre, which is a 285 50/20. And we've got our Iconic on there. Sorry, we haven't got our Iconic on there. We've got our Predator Scorpion on there. The Iconic's on the other car. We've got our Predator Scorpion on there, which has got the perfect offset as well to bring it out with them extended arches. So to be able to combine all that, we've also got a 2-inch lift kit on this all round as well. So it gives it a lift to be able to create that big stance, that really aggressive stance that also goes with that really aggressive tyre. So yeah, I've mentioned the Scorpion wheel, which we tend to put as a standard feature onto this Predator X build. We do offer some smaller builds as well that don't incorporate these big arches, but they've got another couple of kits that we've put together which we just think really suits the vehicle. Again, you will have noticed up on the top, we have got our Predator light pod, so colour-coded to the vehicle, again with them laser 6-inch linear elites in there. Great for vision and just look cool, to be honest. Right, on to the next Predator X build, and is what appears everybody's starting to call Bumblebee, and I can see why. So this is Cyber Orange Next Gen Ford Ranger. Now this was a launch colour and I actually really like it as well. It really suits the vehicle and it also really suits all these black accessories on it as well. So there's not that much different in regards to what's going on here apart from probably one key feature. So that we'll get onto when we move around that side. So we've still got the same. So we've still got that really aggressive 76mm bar on there as well that wraps round. We've got our Nighthawk grille on there, so a full DRL grille with black gloss. We've got the accents around there. In regards to the light surrounds as well, we've got the Predator styling stripe. We've also got the roof pod integration light with them laser lights in as well. So this is what I was just saying before in regards to we've designed a concept of this build, but there is some subtle differences that we can make in between it as well. And a couple of them around this side of the car. So we've got the smooth type of the arches, we've got the vented on that side of the black one. But what we've done for the first time on this is a full set, which we'll have a look at when we go around here. We have got a full set of carbon arches. So something a little bit different, just gives it that classiness to it as well. Carbon is very properly, you see it on all your G-Wagons and all over the place. And to be fair, it really suits against this colour. But where I think that would, in my personal opinion, where I think that would come into its own is sort of like on that agate black vehicle as well, just to give it that slight little bit of contrast. So just round here we've got, I've mentioned the Scorpion is the sort of wheel of choice because it's got the perfect offset against these arches. But what we've decided to do, as per the Iconic that's on the Raptor that we looked at, we've decided to do this in a bronze colour as well, and it just looks unbelievable in my opinion. On a black car, if that wheel was sat on that black car with them carbon arches and that, it would just look unbelievable. So yeah, there it is. We've got it on a black car. We've got it on this Bumblebee, which looks amazing as well. So we're all aware that now Ford and VW have sort of like that have come together and partnered to be able to share the same platform. But to be fair, they've done a brilliant job of it. Yes, it is the same sort of like underpinnings. Even when you go under the bonnet, it still says Ford in a fair few places. But it's sort of like coming to its own, and we've started to develop some products. Slightly running behind the Ranger because obviously this has just come out. Whereas the Ranger came out sort of like a year ago, nearly 18 months ago now, when the first one started appearing. Now, we've managed to be able to put this aggressive front bar on there, and you might be getting bored of me saying this aggressive front bar, but literally we've got all the same sort of platform vehicles, same chassis and everything on them, so naturally these accessories are just going to be able swapped over and fit in exactly the same way. So We tried it, it works, it follows that same sort of profile and gives it that really aggressive look. We've also, if you've got one of these Amaroks, you'll notice we've done some paint work on this as well. So we've done a little bit of a stealth pack on this one as well. So down here we've painted this black gloss, that was a silver as well. We've done some work on the grille, changing these accents. We've even body coloured one to this mid-blue colour, which is, as soon as we got the colour charts and the colour references for these, we were like, we've got to have a car in this colour. We just think it suits it so well. So yeah, just your normal everyday accessories on this as well. So what you've got is you've got your normal smoked bonnet guard. We've done some tinting on the badge on there. We've also got lasers integration kit on there. So we've got the laser integration kit for the Amarok for next gen, Laser 750 Elite with their own integration kit. Nice and easy to fit. It comes with nice templates, allowing you to just make some cut marks on that grille. Put some of these brackets on there and fits in there, and it almost looks like a OE factory option. As I move round to this side, you can actually see that we have got some sort of like prototype arches on. I mentioned to you a couple of minutes ago, what we said is this car's a little bit later, so we've got some new product coming to market. We've got sort of like 2 or 3 different styles of arches, like what we've already got for Ranger currently in development. So over the next few months, just keep an eye on the website and what you'll see them coming. So we've got smooth types. As you know, all our arches come colour coded. We're one of the only people on the market that does that straight out the box. We've got all the colours available, sort of like 7 or 8 different colours that you can just buy straight off the shelf. We're going to do some slightly different designs, and maybe sit some further out with a similar sort of style to the big ones on the Raptor and the Ranger. And yeah, I just think it suits it really well. And as we know, I've got to keep going over it, but same platform means same roof. So with the same roof, it allows us to be able to fit our roof pod light on there as well. So nice integration, sort of like we come through the roof, no wires, no anything, just a really seamless design. The wheels that we've got onto this Amarok, again, same situation, is our Predator 20-inch Iconic, just in black in that time. Same tyre on there, perfect offset on that wheel to be able to work with some just smaller extended arches. We've got some sidebars, some tubular sidebars on there as well, wind deflectors. So the list is growing. We've already got a lot of products, but please keep an eye out on the website, and you will see that list getting bigger and bigger. So if you've got an Amarok, please have a look at what we've got already, and there's definitely some more cool stuff on the way. So there it is really. So you've got a bit of an introduction and a bit of a show around all these next gen vehicles. Some unbelievable stuff on there. We've constantly got more stuff in development. So if you need any information about any of the accessories that you've seen, or you just want to talk to one of our sales guys about them, or even talk to me, not a problem. Just give us a call. Keep an eye out on the YouTube channel. Keep an eye on the website. And yeah, thanks for watching, and keep an eye out for what we've got coming.